Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Before we dive into today's topic, make sure to click the link in the description below to sign up for our exclusive SEO newsletter and get the latest tips and tricks delivered straight to your inbox. Are you tired of struggling to get your content noticed online? Do you want to increase your website's traffic and drive more sales? Then you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore the power of Seowriting.ai, a cutting-edge tool that can help you create high-quality, SEO-optimized content. With Seowriting.ai, you can conduct in-depth keyword research and analysis, get content suggestions based on your target keywords, optimize your meta tags for better search engine rankings, analyze your existing content and get suggestions for improvement. By leveraging the power of AI, Seowriting.ai can help you create content that resonates with your target audience and drives real results. Whether you're a content marketer, SEO professional, or business owner, Seowriting.ai can help you achieve your online goals. In this video, we'll take a closer look at how Seowriting.ai works and provide tips on how to get the most out of this powerful tool. We'll also explore the latest trends and best practices in SEO writing, so you can stay ahead of the curve. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more SEO tutorials, leave a comment below with your favorite SEO tip, and share this video with your friends and colleagues. Your support means the world to us.